Well, here we are at the warehouse. You want to be an appliance guy or gal. Ooh. Well, here we are, man. Got to get some stuff. So for those of you who hadn't seen the warehouse, this is kind of part of it and how we do stuff. And you know, we've got all our stuff everywhere. I'll go upstairs and show you what's on the agenda today. So our online store, or one of our online stores, because my compadre has a store as well, but one of our online eBay stores. This is just some of the parts that we have listed. So as you can see, first of all, once you guys come up and buy, it's about $100,000 in parts up here. But as you can see, well, there's a better bird's eye view of the warehouse too. As you can see, we've moved in. We need to, get a little better shelving and stuff going on. But you kind of get your own system, which we're going to talk about in other videos. But label it, how you're going to organize it. As you'll learn, eBay is a real stickler, which they should be, making sure you have your stuff. And so my wife has been working on a bunch of new parts, and of course she made me build her shelves. Should have did a video on that, but I'm not a carpenter. But I actually just took some old doors and made shelves out of them. I have all these old doors laying around. But as you can see, we categorize them, we list them, right? And this is all these boxes aren't empty, guys. That's 60 years of this appliance store that I purchased, just parts and stuff laying around. So just a quick tour. We got our trailers in here and some vehicles. This is all stuff that we still have to go through and scrap. So, you're going to see all the videos of pulling the timers off and pulling the parts off or what have you. This looks like a big hunk of junk. A big pile, right? A lot of money sitting there. That's stuff that's already stripped. We just got to get it listed. This is stuff waiting on the scrap yard, and we load it up and we get rid of it. Tubs, guys, if you hadn't figured it out, a bunch of people buying those and use them as fire pits. I haven't done that yet, but whatever. If they buy them, that's great. Use it for whatever you want. Got some refurbished stuff here, dryers. This is new stuff here. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to take you guys to different places on how we buy these, how you make money doing it, how you get them at an extreme discount. This is all new stuff, brand new stuff that we bought probably at about 30%, 40% of the actual price, retail price. And I'll show you how we make pretty much double our money on appliances. Endless supply. It's wonderful. Coming to the office here, and it's not much to look at. We don't need much, but you get an idea of where we're taking pictures and listing stuff on eBay and our packaging and how we do it, and shelves. And I've got parts in here that need to be listed. We're going to talk about the retail, the service, a ton of content coming on how to repair. Check us out. Make sure to click like and subscribe to our channel. There's going to be a lot more to come. You're also going to be hearing from my partner Bobby out in South Carolina. I'm in the bluegrass state of Kentucky. You're going to be hearing from Bobby and his appliances and exactly how we're doing it. We're going to put up, like I said, a ton of content. Can't wait to see you. Click and subscribe, fellow appliance junkies.